Hello everyone and welcome back to the Balloon Bros channel. Today we're going to be learning how to make an awesome balloon sword. To begin this tutorial, the material that we will need will be 1 260 twisting balloon. We will start off by inflating the balloon to the end being about 2 fingers in length. And at the bottom, we will start with a 2-finger bubble. We will twist it and make a pinch twist. After this, we're going to measure about 10 fingers in length, about 2 hands roughly. We will twist it into a petal twist. Now in this end, we will make 6 bubbles, about 2 fingers in length for each. And what I'm doing here is holding the end so that it doesn't twist away. There we go. The trick is using maybe one of your other fingers to hold it in place. Now that we have 6 bubbles, we will twist the last one into a pinch twist. So we'll grab it right here and kind of push up a little bit so that it gives you room to twist it. So what I'm doing here is pulling out and twisting at the same time. What you can do with your other fingers is to kind of pinch it as well. Hence the trick is pinch twist while not letting go of this other part. The final step will be to push out the air at the bottom and feed the end through the petal. We're going to pull it till it's roughly proportional in size to the handle. And there you have it. Nice sword. Thank you for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, you might also enjoy watching this other one about how to make a 1 balloon Brachiosaurus. Until next time, we will see you soon.